I'm Todd Hudgel with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. This is the Grady White 375 Freedom, the ultimate multi-purpose boat. They call it the entertainer for a lot of very good reasons. So you want to go fishing? Removable seat gives you a huge cockpit to fish from, large bait well, and a refrigerated fish box to make your fishing easier and more fun than ever. From the spacious bow seating, perfect for catching some rays, from the huge hardtop with fully enclosed cockpit area to protect you from the sun, wind, and those afternoon showers, on through to the spacious cockpit with retractable and removable seating to make more fishing room. In addition to all that, the boat's got an electric grill, a great cabin, and a very roomy head. Come check out this fantastic boat at MarineMax, Panama City Beach.